Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission starts shifting roughly or even gets stuck in one gear. You connect an OBD-II scanner and guess what? Code P0971 pops up. This code is related to the Pressure Control Solenoid C circuit low voltage, which is critical for smooth gear shifting. If left unchecked, it can cause serious transmission damage. In this video I'll explain what P0971 means, where the sensors are located and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0971? DTC P0971 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid C Control Circuit Low Voltage. Your transmission control module, TCM, sends signals to the pressure control solenoids, which regulate hydraulic pressure inside the transmission. If the voltage in solenoid C is too low, the transmission won't shift properly, causing rough or delayed gear changes. If the voltage in solenoid C is too low, the transmission won't shift properly, causing rough or delayed gear changes. If the voltage in solenoid C is too low, the transmission won't shift properly, causing rough or delayed gear changes. Common symptoms of P0971. If your car has this code, you may experience hard or erratic gear shifts, delayed response when accelerating, transmission slipping, RPMs go up, but speed doesn't. Check engine light or transmission. Warning light: vehicle stuck in limp mode, only certain gears work. Vehicle stuck in limp mode, only certain gears work. Vehicle stuck in limp mode, only certain gears work. Sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0971, check these key components: pressure control, solenoid C, location, inside the transmission valve body near the other solenoids. Function: controls fluid pressure for smooth gear shifts. Transmission control module, TCM, location, found under the dashboard near the battery or mounted on the transmission case. Function: sends voltage signals to the solenoids for pressure control. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the fluid lines. Function: monitors fluid pressure and reports to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit. Location: runs between the TCM and the solenoid inside the transmission. Function: transfers electrical signals for pressure control. What causes P0971? Possible causes include 1. Faulty pressure control solenoid C. Internal failure leads to low voltage. 2. Damaged or corroded wiring. Short circuits or loose connections cause voltage drop. 3. Faulty transmission control module, TCM. Incorrect voltage regulation. 4. Low or dirty transmission fluid affects solenoid operation. 5. Weak battery or alternator issues. Voltage supply problems disrupt transmission control. How to fix P0971? Follow these steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is low, dirty or burnt, replace it with the correct ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded or loose wires in the solenoid circuit. Repair or replace faulty connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid C. Open the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to test solenoid resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If the solenoid is faulty, replace it. Step 4. Check the alternator and battery voltage. A weak battery or failing alternator can cause voltage fluctuations. Measure battery voltage, should be between 12.4V–14.5V. Step 5. Reset the TCM and clear the code. After repairs, erase the P0971 code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive at least 10–15 miles to confirm the fix. Final words: if your car has P0971, it means pressure control solenoid C is receiving too little voltage, causing hard shifts and transmission problems. Fixing it early can prevent costly repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0809. Clutch position sensor circuit intermittent. P0810. Clutch position control error. This is IG Garage, your go-to channel for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.